Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Unong elam kaliang persya Dr. Mukul sangma ulaong baki Paidbah ke Jingkylla ki Thrang bandon ke Jingkylla. Ke Thrang jong ke Jingkylla kala pausai hagini ki sngi ha ke baki Paidbah kila wan syakmat daladi banyadon bentalang bat kaseng. Uni unong elam ke Trinamool Congress ulaong kaseng kala keu na kapor sa kapor bat Ïohi ke Thrang jong ki ban Ïohi ya ke Jingkylla kat baki sngi kidang jan syaka election. Ula benrap ru da kabaong utip mano na ki MLA jong kaseng ki ban mi na kaseng bat penyesok bat ki wei pat ki seng san perthai. Kani kam dai ke Jinglengo yang i namar ngila tip ha mano ki ban mi bat hagini ki jaka ngila donru ki breu ki ban mi pli bat kin job ru ya ke election ka ban wan. Ula ongru bakamla ban long babaro ki MLA kin job biang Henry ki hapan Tracy Tom banyo ya ke Jingjob.
See, as I have said, we did not take the names, but we know who are going to go where. These are all anticipated political offshoot. Rather, the decision which has already been there. We know. Therefore, we have our own strategy in place. As we have said that 1 or 2 or 3 elected representatives who are sitting MLAs are bound to sift, not only from our party, from other parties also. So similarly, we knew how many of our sitting MLAs will decide to look for another political party, for whatever reasons. Some reasons are, of course, because of the fact that the TMC also have decided to look at alternative, because it is not necessarily necessary that all the sitting MLAs will actually be a potential candidate for the party to win the elections. You have to be very clear on that. Every sitting MLA will have the challenge of getting re-elected. That's a fact. How many of the sitting MLAs ultimately could not get re-elected in 2018, so also in 2013. It's a natural expectation, and based on these overall political dynamics that unfold in a given specific time, we as a political party, we decide. And therefore, in respect of few constituencies where we have the TMC MLAs, we know that, okay, it's better for the political party to look for an alternative and have a different candidate, an alternative candidate that was known. And we are already having candidates there. And the candidates who are going to win the election, wherever our candidates have gone, please remember, we will win those seats.